In today's video, I will teach you how to add a watermark to your image in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open a blank canvas with a size and resolution of your choice. Now, set the background to transparent before clicking Create. Now, simply type in the word that you would like to put in your watermark and adjust the settings in the text, character, or paragraph panel. And once you're satisfied with the text, go ahead and resize and reposition the text to your liking. Now, if you would like to add a watermark all over the page that you wish to add it on, simply crop the background layer to the size of the page. To do this, click on the crop tool at the toolbar, and to make the resizing easier, simply click on the width and height ratio drop-down menu at the top panel and input the width and the height of your choice. Here, there are also multiple sizing options in the drop-down menu, but if you wish to crop the image freely, you can leave the height and the width text box empty. Once you've cropped the image, simply draw the watermark that you would like to make. Using the Shapes tool, I will add lines around the watermark text. You can also adjust the shape settings either at the top panel or at the Properties panel. To transform the shapes, simply select the layer that you would like to transform and press Ctrl T on your keyboard. And once the outline appears, you can simply use the handles to resize, rotate, and reposition your shapes. You can stop here, but if you wish to add a pattern out of the watermark, simply select all layers and group them together by pressing Ctrl G on your keyboard. Now, press Ctrl T on your keyboard to resize the watermark, and with the top layer selected, simply press Ctrl J to duplicate the group layer. Then press Ctrl T to transform the watermark. Repeat the same process until you've created your desired pattern. And once you're done, simply select all group layers and adjust the opacity to your liking. To save your work, go to Files, Export, then Export As, or simply press Alt-Shift-Ctrl-W on your keyboard. In the Export panel, make sure to set the format to PNG to retain the transparency of the watermark. Now, click Export to save it to your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.